Hello again, everyone. We're going to do a little video here to show you how to create some posts to add content to your website. And once again, we're working with the Macoupin Catholic Church domain. And I'll just kind of show you here what the website looks like so you can get an idea of what it is that you're actually doing when you create a blog post. But for instance, we'll look under this weekly preparation area, and down at the bottom we've got weekly prayers. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And when we land on this page here, we see that we've only got one post, one blog post, or one little piece of content here. That's called the weekly prayer test post. That's something we just put in there to kind of show people this is where the information goes and this is how you do it. But let's add a post to this weekly prayer area. So what we're going to do in the dashboard of our site, we're going to go to posts and we're going to go to add new. And we're just going to give it a title, and we're going to say weekly prayer for March 16th. So this is your title of your post here. And then down here we have an area where we can type some text, and we're just going to put in weekly prayer for the week of March 13th through the 17th. And then we could add some information down here. You could type a paragraph or two if you wanted to, whatever you wanted to do there. And you can kind of see you've got some editing options up here. So if we wanted to bold this information, we can. If you want to italicize it, you can change the color of the text here. This is basically like a basic text editor, like if you're working with Word or something like that. So if I wanted to change this to more of a heading, I could do that by clicking the little paragraph bar here, and we can make it larger and bold by choosing heading 2, or we can take it right back to just this paragraph. So you've got some editing options there. You can also insert a hyperlink to a different website or a different area or something like that. So that's an option there too. And you can also add media. And this is helpful for those blog posts you want to make that maybe they has a little flyer attached with it. If you want to insert a picture or a video or something like that. So let's add some audio into this. So we're just going to do weekly prayer audio. And then what we want to do, let's go up here and click add media. And this is going to load up your media library. Now, we don't have any audio here yet. All we have are just some PDFs and some images. So we're going to go to upload files, and then we're going to go to select files. And then we're going to go to, I've got some media from the customer here. I'm going to go in and pull some audio here. And let's see, I've got some videos there. Let's just do Sunday readings, and he's got one here called tests. So we're going to go ahead and drag that over here to our media library, and you'll notice that it uploaded that test.mp3. So we're going to change the title of this to weekly prayer test, and then we're going to hit insert. And what that does is you can kind of see here, it just puts the the audio right in there with the play and pause and the volume button here too. So the next thing we want to do to make sure this goes in the right place, we're going to come over here to our categories. The categories is very important for your website to keep it neat and to put these blog posts where they need to go for the end user to easily find the stuff. So we've got a category called weekly prayer, so we're going to check that box and we're going to go ahead and hit publish. And then what happens is, let me go back to my home page here. Now when the end user goes to weekly preparation and they go to weekly prayers, now you're going to see that there's 2 posts there instead of 1. This weekly prayer March 16th, that's the one we just created. So if the end user clicks on that, now they're going to get to that little audio test, so you can kind of see how it looks at to the end user here. So they're going to go to this and, oh, it's got some media to play. We're going to go ahead and play it, and that'll start playing. So that's really all there is to it. You can do the same thing for a video if you have videos to upload. Normally with a video, the easiest way to do this is to create your YouTube channel. Upload your videos to YouTube. That's going to put them in more of a user-friendly format for online users, and then you can embed that video into your blog post. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that, and that's really easy. But what you'll want to do is go to YouTube, and let's see, let's find just a sample video here. This is one of some drone coverage that I've uploaded. So you're going to right click on the video and you're going to do copy embed code. And you can do this with any YouTube video out there. So once we copy the code, let's go back to our test blog post here, and we've got some audio. Now let's put in some video. So if we change from this visual tab to the text tab, and you're going to see how it changes, it looks a little bit different. And we're going to come down here a few lines and we're going to just paste that embed code in here. That's all you have to do. Just come over here, right click and do paste, or control V on the keyboard, however you want to do it. Now when we go to visual again, you're going to see that it puts that video in there in a nice, neat, easy to use format for your end user. So now we're going to go ahead and hit update. And now when we go back and refresh that blog post, you're going to see not only the audio that you put in there, but here's our little preview of our video. The end user can click play and that video will start to play. And the nice thing about doing it this way is all of the controls are embedded into this window. So if they want to view it on YouTube, they can click full screen, they can change the audio. It's a very nice, neat way to insert videos into your blog posts. And the same way with the audio that we did earlier. So that's all there is to it as far as creating a blog post, putting it in the right category to make it show up in the right place, and actually adding a little bit of audio and video. So until the next video, thank you very much.